Hey friends, if you wish to access the Microsoft Update catalog on any browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com and hit enter. Okay, now you can simply enter the month for which you need the updates in the MMDDYY format. For example, 0924 2024 and hit enter, for which you need the updates. Okay, or you can simply enter the MMYY format because this is an older update, and you will find it for find the latest updates for those that month, for example for November 2024 and later. Okay, and then you can also check for 2025, and now you'll get the latest updates here. All you need to do is match them with the type of computer you have. For example, we don't have a server computer, we have Windows 11 computer, so check Windows 10 and later and then download and install those updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.